Hey guys, Natalie here again for Serpis. So before we go ahead and discuss anything about Serpstat today, I just want to give you quick information about what we do here in Serpis and what you can, or what are the tools that you can use, to fully experience the Serpis, or rather to fully maximize your Serpis experience. So for starters, you might want to take advantage of this free SEO audit that you can get in less than 37 seconds. So just fill in your information here and click on this button. And then there's also this free guide that is supposedly paid, but we're giving it to you for free to show you how Serpis is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month running on autopilot. So if you want to find out how that works, then just leave your first name and then your email, and that will get you started with your Serpis journey. So just click on this Find Out How button, and then you're all good to go. So now that we've mentioned everything we need to talk about Serpwis, let's head on over to Serpstat and continue where we left off last time. So we're still discussing everything under URL analysis, and this time we'll be discussing about the top pages features for this specific category. So clicking on that, of course, we're still using the URL or the domain for serpis.com. And we're just gonna be waiting on what the results will give us. So for this one, generally, it's just going to give you top pages for that specific URL. So, of course, we'll be getting serpis.com, for the results. And then it would also give you, an insight on how effective it is in terms of organic keywords and then Facebook shares as well and traffic. So this is something that is, it can be an eye opener for a lot of us, because of course we then see how well we're doing organically, or what are our engagements in the different social platforms, particularly in Facebook, because we all know that it is important to have some sort of presence, especially in social media. And then of course the traffic, how well is our site doing, how well are the competitors doing. So that is something that you can get once you utilize this specific feature for URL analysis. So it would seem very simple, especially since this is dealing with a specific feature. But all in all, if you look at the overview for your URL analysis, it's all stitched in together. So you would see a lot more once you click in overview. So basically, this is just an in-depth look into what the top pages are, or how your URL is doing in terms of this specific metric. So that is it actually for this one. Quite short, but very straightforward. So that is something that we want to get across when doing this overviews, or this sort of like tutorials, if you if we can call it that. So basically just want to show you guys what you can expect once you sign up with Serpstat in general. So of course, whatever you can access is still depending on the type of subscription that you availed, but basically this is just something that we made to show you how effective Serpstat is and what their different tools can offer for you and your business. So that's it. Hopefully you found this helpful, and please also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you'd get notified once we upload new content. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next one.